Hey, it's Big Jeff coming to you to start off the 9K giveaway. We just announced the 8K live at Charlotte Racetrack. Super stoked. But we're going to change it up. A while back, I put my foot in the mouth and said every 1,000 subscribers, we're going to do a giveaway. And we've been doing just that every week. And now we're over 13,000. So we're at 9K and we still have more to come. But we're going to change it up because I know sometimes the giveaways are stuff you might not want or need. So we're going to do it different. The winner will get it in a form of a Big Jeff cash that can be used on the website. But how much are you going to get? Let's explain how this is going to work. So for each new either subscriber or comment and subscriber, it will count for $1. So that means 100 people, $100, 500 people, $500, all the way up. So the many more people come in, and we've been keeping it strong, that will be the total you win. You will get a credit on the website to use on anything you dream about, wanted, or could use. Now, how do you win? Well, we got to make it a little different now. One, like anything, you need to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you like this video and definitely hit the bell so you get these announcements. Then in the comment section, you're going to leave your name, you're going to leave your location, and why you should win. So that gets you entered. But to finish that off, text the word giveaway to 737 Big Jeff. That's 737-244-5333. Once you left your comments on your name, location, and why you should win, and you have text the word giveaway to 737 Big Jeff, you have now been entered in the 9K giveaway, right? That's how we're going to match it up, because this is not going to be where people have 50 different accounts and they sign up 50 different times. It'll be one per. But here's the kicker. I'll give you an extra entry to win if you leave a comment on the video on Facebook. Yes. So that means you have 2 chances to win. Now, all these giveaways been averaging about 500 people commenting, which means that at least where we're at right now would be $500 to be used on the Big Jeff website for anything your heart desires. But if we can share this out on all social media platforms, obviously that number is going to go up, and the lucky winner will get that as a credit to be used over time, one time, whatever, on your account. So the 9K giveaway starts right now. Now remember, there's some scammers out there. They've been sending direct messages for you to text them. If you're not texting 737 Big Jeff, I wouldn't even look at it. But we're not going to text you. You're going to text us, 737 Big Jeff. And on YouTube, make sure you like this, comment your name, location, and why you should win. Now, I know there's an extra step of texting us, but guess what? You might be able to win unlimited amount of money depending on how many people we get in this, and you can share this all over the place. Okay, so remember, we're going to announce the winner next Sunday at 11 a.m. Eastern time, and you might be the guy that can go to www.bigjeffaudio.com and buy whatever you've been wanting. I'm Big Jeff, twisting it up, ready to start the 9K now. Let's do it.